This is the Mac Mini M2, and for someone coming from a previous iMac with the Intel-based operating system, you really can tell the difference with the M2. So there's a number of things that I really like about this, and some things that are a bit of a shame, and I'm going to go through them now. So the main likes, obviously, the way it utilizes RAM is more efficient than an Intel-based computer. So this has half the amount of RAM that my Intel machine has, but it performs better. Because of the new architecture using the M2 chip, it just utilizes RAM a lot more effectively, so you get a better performance. And with every Apple product, you get that sleek, beautiful design. It's really, really perfect. And it's so small, it's easily going to fit on your desk. You get quite a lot of ports on the back here. You've got your headphone jack, USB ports, HDMI, your faster USB-C ports. You've got a LAN direct internet connection if you want to, and then you've got your power cable connection there. Part of the charm of this, and also potentially negative for some people, is that everything's soldered in here. That does make it really, really secure, so it's much less likely for things to become disengaged because it's all fixed in place, but that does mean that you can't easily upgrade anything with this computer. Now I say easily, there's only one real way to upgrade this, and that's by getting one of those docks that you sit it in. And so with the docks, you save money by having hard drive space, extra hard drives that you can slip in and out. So before you buy it, you have to decide how much space do I really need and how much RAM do I want. Obviously it doesn't come with a screen, and generally you get it in packages without the items. But if you have already been using Apple products, that's actually a really good thing, because like me, you might already have loads of Apple keyboards, Apple mice and all that sort of thing lying around. You know, so if you've already got one of the Apple mice, or you've got trackpads and stuff like this, all of that can connect wirelessly. The keyboards, they all connect wirelessly. Which kind of means that, yeah, these ports aren't necessarily going to be taken up. But if you do need more ports, you can get one of those docks and expand your arsenal of ports. So there isn't much of a downside to this system. And things are just getting better and better with software getting updated now. The M1 came out quite a while ago now, it's been a few years, so everything's kind of caught up with the architecture, and all these software things have been ironed out, and now they really are utilizing the power of this M2 chip to give you fantastic performance. So if you're like me and you do editing, or you like to have lots of things running at once, say you've got a web browser open, you're editing, you're listening to music, maybe you're playing some YouTube videos as well, it can do all those different operations really, really effectively.